masasabi mo, you caught fire, ikaw, sabi nga ni Coach Tim kanina, you were a key player dun sa linaro nyo kanina. And you were able to contribute sa amin.
Just for me, I just want to play my role, just make an impact every time pasok niya ako. Doesn't matter how many minutes I play, just wanna stay ready lagi. So yun, I'm happy na nakakontribute ako and nanalo kami.
Talk about lang din yung sa experience mo sa FIBA Asia at TX3. How was the experience like?
Siyempre iba yung feeling to represent the country in any way naman eh. So, saya nung experience ko doon with my teammates. Definitely a new experience for me kasi first time ko eh, mag-represent ng country and out of the country pa. So, yun, hopefully not the last. Sana sa future TX3 competitions makasama pa rin ako.
How different was it playing TX3 with
Siguro mas physical lang talaga sa 3x3 eh. Hindi sila basta-basta nag-call ng foul. So, yun. And siguro mas nakakapagod kasi tuloy-tuloy. But, in terms of concept naman, ma-apply mo naman yun sa 3x3 and sa 5x3.
Could you look back lang yung parang kinapon mo na lang na bola, medyo nag-viral na konti yung binatump yung bola, buzzer beater.
Yes po. Kailangan ko na talaga siya i-shoot eh. And yun, buti na lang na shoot. And at least nanalo kami ng game na yun.
How about cheering? How about cheering on the girls din pala? During that,
kasi nung time na yun, na-out na kami quarters eh. So, sila may chance sila na makapasok ng final. So, I think first time din yun. So, very proud kami sa kanila. And, kaibigan ko yung coach nila eh, si Coach Anton. So, coach ko siya sa Lasal before. So, very proud ako sa kanila. And, kahit minsan di sila napapansin masyado eh, yung women's natin eh. So, they deserve all the attention and support. So, sana lahat supportahan din sila.
Thank you.